Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add and use a card to Digital Wallet in Bank of America. So let's jump right in. To start, locate the Wallet app on your smartphone. Most are already installed, then enter your credit or debit card information. The application allows you to store multiple cards and to set your default payment method. Your digital wallet can't be used for a payment without your authentication. Once you've set up your digital wallet and have selected your default payment method, all you need to do is learn how to pay. When shopping on your smartphone, there's usually a 1 or 2 click payment prompt to make it as easy as possible. If you're shopping at retail locations, you can hold your phone or device over a point of sale system, wherever you see the contactless symbol. When using an app, such as one for buying food or a ride-share service, you could opt to use your digital wallet as the payment option. That way, you can save some time by not having to enter in your payment information each time you use the app.